Good morning, guys. Today we are trying new beauty hacks. Let's go. First of all, let's start with these eyebrows. So to get perfect laminated eyebrows, what Glancilla does is just she brush them down, and after she go like in an S, and after she goes up, and they are perfect. This hack is insane. So apparently you just put lots of blush, a
shit ton of cream blush before she starts her.
It's kind of like underpainting. So the lady puts a lot of blush everywhere around here, so it looks kind of crazy. Let's put this on. Wow. Should I put a bit more? Let's do it. She had a lot, so I just wanna look like her. Okay, awesome. I look like a clown. Let's put some foundation now, and let's see how this works. I'm doing it with my hands because I like it more. Do you think this is going to work? I'm not sure. Okay. Okay. It doesn't look bad at all. Not bad, guys. I actually like it. Let's put some concealer on, but first I will show it to you how I normally do it. So I just put it here, a little bit here, and I like to put it here. But online there is a new technique, and it's basically you just make a cross from here to here. Oh gosh. A little bit here, a little bit here, and this should be coming from here as well. Let's compare both sides. Oh my god. Seems like I'm missing a little bit of brow. What do we think? Looks a bit more lifted or no? I don't like it or dislike it. It's a 5. Okay, let's set those eyes. So to set my eyes, I'm going to get a little bit of toilet paper, fold it again, and you will get a triangle. You should get setting powder and a bit of bronzer. Grab the setting powder, just go in. With the bronzer, just get the point and get a little bit just there. And now you just need to go over there. It kind of gives the eye a little bit of depth. What do you guys think? I can see the bronzer over here. I don't know if you guys can. I have tried before and I actually really like it. Do you guys like it? For the rest of the face, I will just get a toilet paper as well. Get a little bit of powder and just set it this way. Apparently, it gives you a flawless look.
Using a piece of toilet paper to put my...
You guys need to tell me if it's true or not. Okay, I have done my eyeliner because I want to do my lashes. Something that I saw on TikTok is people getting the powder and putting it on the lashes before actually putting the rímel on. Let's see if it works. This should make your lashes longer and nothing should be moving throughout the whole day. And now I should just put it on and nothing should be moving and they should look super long. It's super difficult to do this on camera, but I like them. Let me do it off camera. I think they look long and pretty. Hopefully they stay like this the whole day. Something else I have seen on the internet and I want to do it again, more blush. The perfect place to place your blush is here. So put your 2 fingers here and after tap, tap, tap. Same here. Tap, tap, tap. I think it's super cute. Let's do the nose. Something that I saw last day and shocked me is a lady just doing 2 lines here.
It looks funny because I'm tilting my head, but I'm contouring my nostrils to make them look narrow since they're circular and can appear wide. Where the top of my nose tip is, I'm going to make like a half circle. And at the bottom, I'm going to make a straight line, but it's going to be slightly above my natural tip.
And after, as usual, coming from here, taking it until there. Same here. So let's fix this. And after, see, came here, see, did a line there, and a line here. So let's see how this comes up. let's blend, blend, blend. It looks a bit smaller, or it's just me? I feel it does, much thinner. I like to put a little bit of concealer here. There you go. Love that. Use your fingers, don't be afraid of that. I love it. Looks super thin, love that. Let's do a lip piece. I love putting a little bit of primer on my lips. This helps me to keep my makeup on for much longer. So I just put it on. I try to put it around the corner and let it sit for a couple of minutes. Yes, because we don't want to put a lip liner while everything is wet. After I take my lip liner, just go around. Some people love doing a line here and another one like that. Like that. I don't know if you guys can appreciate it. I thought the lip liner was a dark brown, but it wasn't, so I'm just fixing it because I wanted brown lips today. And we will put a little bit of pink. Let's do a little bit of contouring. Some people think that the best places to set it is just here, 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 and this is the best one. Yes, here, to make you snatch. So we'll put it here as well. So again, blend, 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 blend. I should have done this before, but that's no matter. We're just trying it. I love how it feels like I'm sun-kissed here. Super natural, I'm so sun-kissed. And let's try here. You can honestly do whatever you want with your makeup. Shouldn't be a set of rules. Whatever works for you works. Does not matter with other things. And there are so many hacks on the internet nowadays, like nobody truly does the same. Certain things are the same, but not all of them, and it's fine. So let's see what happens here. Let's blend this one as well. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, or just leave a comment. That helps my channel to get some more awesome people like you, so I really appreciate that. If you realize I don't put anything through here, I don't think it's necessary. It looks really snatched, as you can see. Perfect. To end the video, I'm going to be using a setting spray. And some people get just the toilet paper and just go through everything just to make sure that everything stays on place. I normally do this with the beauty blender, but everybody does it different, so that's fine. I think it works. It doesn't look bad at all, so pretty happy with it. I will go again with it just to make sure that it stays. But that was everything for today, guys. I really hope you have enjoyed the video. If you're going to try any of the hacks, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to know what you have tried and how it did work for you. Again, thank you very much for your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me.